Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate high-quality scripts using Claude AI in 2026. So if you want YouTube scripts, voiceovers, ads, or storytelling content that actually sounds natural, yeah, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI. Then sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you're ready to start generating scripts. One of the most important steps is defining your script goal. So clearly mention what type of script you want, like YouTube tutorial, ad script, storytelling, or educational content. To get high-quality results, always add structure. I mean mention intro, main steps, timestamps, and outro if needed. This helps Claude generate organized and professional scripts. You can also control tone and style. Yeah, you can ask for conversational, professional, energetic, or storytelling tone, depending on your audience. One powerful trick is giving Claude an example script. This helps it match your preferred writing style, pacing, and structure more accurately. If the script isn't perfect, just refine it. So yeah, you can ask Claude to make it shorter, add more detail, improve hooks, or make it sound more natural. And that's how to generate high-quality scripts using Claude AI in 2026. Once you master structured prompts and tone control, you can create professional-level scripts in just minutes. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI content creation tutorials. Hey everyone!